What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. As you can see, we've got the good old WRX here, and it's pulled into one of the garage bays. So you guys know what that means. It's time to work on something. Now, you know, ever since we got rid of the good old 2004 blah by WRX, and traded it in for this, there's just been something missing. You know what I mean? It just hasn't been the same. And I think I know exactly what that is. I think I know exactly what this car is missing. I don't know if you saw, but there is another little box over here. Can you take any guesses on what it is? Has to do with noise. All my cars, you guys know I love loud cars, especially loud turbo cars. So today we are going to be installing an HKS blow-off valve on our 2019 STI here. So stick around, stay tuned. I'm gonna get you guys propped up. We're gonna get this thing unboxed. We're gonna get this thing taken apart. So turning the fan off for you guys so you guys can hear me better, so you better appreciate that. Now you better be thinking to yourself, Covin, I like your outfit. And to that, I say thank you very much. And the only reason I have the confidence to wear gray sweatpants that I care about and a shirt that I care about to work on a car is because I'm not gonna get nasty. Are you kidding me? This is gonna be the easiest install of my life. Now you also may be saying, Covin, shouldn't you have a knife to open that? And to that I also say, no, I have a screwdriver. Anyways, beautiful. Somebody's interrupting my video with their ridiculously loud truck. Is that everything auto? Oh my goodness. Thank goodness, because I don't know if I can do an easy install by myself. Well, if the fan is on, YouTube's not gonna be able to hear me and they're gonna complain because I don't have my microphone that I bought. I bought a microphone, YouTube, I just want you to know that, but I'm too lazy to get it set up and I don't want it to be in my way while I'm installing my sweet blow-off valve. So, we're gonna see if we can get this thing taken off super quick. I believe it's only 3 bolts and 2 hoses, so how hard can it be? How many blow-off valves you installed in your day?
Too many. I'm more of a naturally aspirated kind of guy now.
What a loser. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll do a close-up. They also, in this kit, I believe, included stuff to do recirculating, if you wanted to do a recirculating blow-off valve as well. But I think it's already set for vent to atmosphere, so that's what we're gonna do. We don't have a Cobb access port yet. Cobb, if you're watching and you want to send us an access port for free, that'd be really cool too. So, how's that Mustang coming along, man? You show them your new wheels?
Quite nice. Quite nice. We should show them wheels.
I think you should show them the wheels. They don't care about your wheels. They want to see my sweet.
No, they don't care about the flow off.
My sweet brand new.
I want to see Cobra replica. Ooh, that's pretty nice.
That's very nice. I'd hope it's very nice for what I. Show me your wheels, dude.
But look at those 18-inch.
It's facing that way. Yeah, you got that.
Replica Cobra. So I had 17s and quite a bit different. They've got a lip on them, and the 18s just look better, I think. So here's the 18s, more of a beveled and concaved in.
Kind of hard to see when you're in the garage.
It is kind of hard to see, but they do look a lot better with an 18-inch wheel.
Good.
So that's
way
what we're
better.
Gonna do.
Diet Coke from Chick-fil-A.
Ew, nasty.
I guess I should show you guys what's going on up here. Here's our factory blow-off valve location. There's a bolt there, and I think there's a bolt underneath. There's that hose there, and then there's the great big hose underneath. So shouldn't be too bad, other than the fact that it's ridiculously piping hot. So I'm glad that I'm not taking it off.
It's about 9 billion degrees on that thing. I bet that bottom one's a doozy.
You're probably gonna have to wait to take those hoses off first, maybe.
I see 2.
I see 2. It's gotta
off there
gotta have 3. Oh no, it's just 2. Look at that. My bad.
Get the knife out, twist on it a little bit, pull that off there, one little screw.
I'm so glad that you're touching that piping hot metal, not me.
Look, it's even got a bolt holder. Isn't this supposed to say STI right there?
Nah, mine's too new for that. It's
Why
one of the older
why
ones,
is
I
it that we
think.
had an...
They downgraded us on the newer ones.
Here, that part's for you.
That ginormous clamp right there looks like it's
clamp.
calling my name.
Got the big clamp.
The big clamp. Okay, guys.
Some big channel locks.
I'm gonna see if I can find a place to set you guys up. Hold on, give me just a second.
This was a Mustang.
I thought I was supposed to be doing
This is probably way cooler.
If it was a Mustang, big coyote in it, yeah, it'd probably be pretty.
This is hot, dude. That's it. My fingers won't go no more.
I got some gloves right here.
Too hot.
They're covered in oil for my oil changes today.
About to get it.
You're too sissy. You don't need
Look at that.
Look! I can't believe you're still holding that.
Drop it
thing.
right there on the power wire of the alternator.
Yeah.
If you're at home, please unplug your battery before performing
Yeah,
any.
we did that. It's unplugged.
Is there a gasket? The gasket's still on it?
There's no gasket.
Didn't
for
come
this.
with one?
It did not come with a gasket.
I'm very disappointed in HKS sending you a high quality
I need this elbow.
blow-off valve with no gasket. Just lucky that it stuck to that side instead of that
Who needs
side.
a gasket? It'll be fine. They did give you some goodies, so little elbows and hoses and block off.
So if you wanted to
If you wanted to
do something else with it,
do something else. But it's fine, we're just gonna time lapse it and throw it on there.
okay.
I'm gonna turn this fan on.
Sure. Old dad. Old dad over here keeps
Dude, look, it's fixed. I
car
didn't know
show
it.
quality right there.
Look.
Car show quality. So, you guys see my garage. You see all the trash everywhere. It's not trash. It's not trash. I save it for occasions of this sort right here. So this thing that I probably should have thrown away years ago, we'll adapt it from that big line to that little line that it came with.
Okay, but that's still not gonna. It's still not gonna reach.
Probably not, but then you can take and try to make that look pretty with that littler hose attached to this.
That's true. That's true.
So all you gotta do is go whoop whoop. You just need a little
just cut
small
this.
piece of that for whatever that needs to look like.
Sweet.
It's still ugly, isn't it?
It's fine. It's not a show car.
If you tuck it over here on this side, probably. That's probably what I'd do.
I probably need a whole bunch of clamps, don't I?
No. I'd bring it up over here.
Ah, yeah, see?
And then just do it.
Oh, yeah. Is that going to restrict?
Shouldn't. How long does it need to be? About right there. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
All right, guys. Yeah, if you're buying the blow-off valve, make sure you get a gasket. Make sure you get an adapter for the vacuum line. Know that it pivots just a little bit so you can get the bolt in there.
And
throw this one away.
Yep, don't need it. Start this thing up, dude. Okay, cameraman, hold this.
Holding.
We got to go for a drive after this.
Still say he needs carbon fiber panels here. He needs the downpipe. He needs the intake.
Sounded great. Okay, guys, stick around. We're going for a drive. Other than my brakes squealing, hopefully you can hear some sweet blow-off valve noises. How loud do you think this thing's going to be?
I don't know. We'll go inside the cab first.
Windows down. I didn't hear nothing.
Nothing. It's very quiet.
That's pretty quiet.
Are there different settings?
I don't know. Is it adjustable?
Is it adjustable? I don't know.
But it's not like obnoxiously loud.
No, it's a cool sound. star kind of Fast and the Furious video quality.
Maybe we'll stop up here at the gas station and see if there's any adjustability going on.
You just need to be able to turn up the volume. It seems like it's turned up to like a 3, and it needs to be on like 9.5.
10. It is more rich. I can hear it popping. I've never heard it pop before. At this RPM, at least.
Yeah. It's gonna need that Cobb tuner for sure.
Definitely gonna need that Cobb tuner. That sweet downpipe too. Maybe it'll build more boost uphill. A little pop. It definitely pops too.
And a little bit of we'll see.
Okay guys, after a quick Google search, rotating the cap on the valve clockwise increases spring pressure, while rotating counterclockwise decreases spring pressure. So this one is adjustable. You can make it louder and you can make it more quiet. So that's what we're getting. How hot is that thing, dude?
It's hot.
So that's what we're getting ready to do. See if we can make some adjustments and make this thing as loud as possible. There's so much junk everywhere. Whole brand new rear end sitting over there for your sweet Fox body. We were just talking about that, guys. I didn't record it, but super exciting stuff. He's getting a lot closer to having the good old Mustang here completely finished. Well, not completely finished. Nothing's ever completely finished around here. You're always changing something, adding something else. But he's got a whole bunch of track bar,
Panhard bar actually. And we're gonna see if we can get the rear end a little squared up under the thing and get it to handle just a little bit better. So I ordered that Panhard bar. Got to take it all back apart again and get back to that. I did stuff the dome lights. I reran the wiring harness and put the dome light from the 18
No
car
way.
and screwed it to the. It's done. I'm working on the mirror right now, so it's kind of. But the dome light.
Nice. Sweet, man.
Got my steering wheel airbag cover in. Yeah, it's getting there. I'll get that Panhard bar figured out and hopefully make it.
Then we're gonna go rip the Dragon.
Yeah.
A whole bunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyways, I kind of wanted to wrap up putting the blow off valve on the WRX here. Turns out it's not recirculating, or it's not adjustable, is what I meant to say. But I'm pretty sure they do sell different springs that you can throw in there to change the spring pressure of that. So who knows, I might end up trying to find the loudest possible set of springs that I can find and throw them in there. But at least it makes some really cool noises now. They might not be that loud, but they're really cool. So anyways, thanks for joining us today. Thank you for installing it for me.
Yeah, that was fun. Little garage time. It's always nice to get some of that in there. So yeah.
Except it's way too hot to be doing anything.
Yeah, we should have waited till after dark.
Definitely should have waited till after dark.
We're gonna need some AC in the garage is what we're gonna need.
Oh, for sure. This fan's not cutting it no more, dude. But anyways, thank you guys for joining in on us today. Be sure to stick around, stay tuned. I've only got a couple of very short months to get this thing up and running, so
Better hurry.
It's
in a lot of pieces right now.
a lot of different pieces. So stick around, stay tuned. Plenty more garage content on the way.